Hey folks, this is Bob from EarthPlanter. I've done a lot of videos for you over the years, but nothing more exciting than today. It's the introduction of our new Hospitality Pedestal planter. This is a model we've wanted to bring to you for many years. Our customers have been asking for it, and it's really the ideal planter for front entranceways into businesses, hotels. I'll be using them for a border for an outside dining area, so the possibilities are really endless. 30 inches tall, 17-inch top outside diameter. We have a really solid 12-inch base. I tell you, this planter is very, very stable. We've even included stability bars across the outside to give even more vertical stability in the planter. 14-inch planting tray depth, so ample room for your soil and plants, and 9 gallons of water, enough to go 2 weeks between watering cycles. This planter is going to be available in all colors, which is pretty unusual for a pedestal planter. Typically it's only black, but our full color spectrum will be available. And like all earth planters, details matter. You guys are spending $400, $500, $600 on these planters. Make sure you do your homework and you're looking for all the details that you deserve in a self-watering planter. First off, our top water fill is integrated into the rim. Most planters have a pipe coming up to the bottom. That makes it harder for people to find the watering spout, and it makes it impossible for you to stack the planters at the end of the season. We are also the only company that includes a bottom drain plug, so you can drain the water whenever you want. The other key item is we never drill holes in our commercial models of our planters. This causes hard water staining on the outside of your planter. So look for a model that has an internal water overflow that allows the water to drain out of the bottom of the planter. So this is our Hospitality Pedestal. You can see it online right now at EarthPlanter.com. And if you're interested in the quote, you can also do that online, or you can email us directly at sales@earthplanter.com.